Hey signers! In English, some words are spelled and sound the same, but have completely different meanings. These are called homonyms. But does that mean that they're signed the same way in ASL? No way. In this video, I'll explain why, plus show you common English homonyms and how they're signed in ASL. So let's learn how to sign homonyms. In ASL, meaning determines which sign to use. When signing, it's important to focus on the concept of the phrase and the meaning of the word rather than relying on direct English translation. ASL is not English, and shifting your mindset to think in concepts rather than individual words will help expand your ASL vocabulary. For example, let's take the word light. In English, it can mean light, as in not heavy, or light that illuminates the room, and then even showing different kinds of light. In these two meanings, they have completely different signs. This is why it's so important to focus on ASL concepts, not just English words. When you think in meaning instead of direct translation, you'll develop a more natural and fluent signing style. Now, let's look at these examples back to back. Book. A noun for reading material. Verb, to reserve. Book. Right. Correct. Direction. Entitlement. Right. Run. To jog. To operate or function. To manage. Run. Light. Not heavy. An illumination. Light. Fly. Insect. To travel by plane. Fly. Mean. Cruel. To signify or indicate. Mean. Watch. To look at something. The device on your wrist. Watch. Lie. To recline. To not tell the truth. Lie. Bear. The animal. To endure or tolerate. Bear. Cold. Temperature. A sickness, as in to catch a cold. Cold. Spring. The season. To jump. Spring. Duck. The bird. To lower your head or body quickly. Duck. Wave. Ocean motion. To move your hand in greeting. Wave. Bat. Flying animal. Used in baseball. Bat. Can. container. To be able to. Can. Cap. A type of hat. A lid. Cap. Fair. Equal, just. A carnival or event. Fair. Fast. Quickly. To abstain from eating. Fast. Kind. Nice, caring. A type or category. Kind. Trip. A journey. To stumble or fall. Trip. What other English homonyms can you think of? There are over 6,000 of them, so let the comments pour on in. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.